guys, welcome to topic 5.5, Plan Quality Management. Plan quality management is a project management process that identifies the quality of the requirements and standards of the project as well as the deliverable. It is also responsible for documenting the set standards and the quality requirements. The benefit of this process is that it guides and directs how the quality should be managed and validated all throughout the implementation of the project. The quality management plan defines the acceptable level of quality, which is typically defined by the customer, and describes how the project will ensure this level of quality in its deliverables and work processes. Let's have a look at the uses of these attributes. Quality management plans. They apply to project deliverables and project work processes. Quality control activities. They monitor and verify the project deliverables meet the defined quality standards. And lastly, quality assurance activities. They monitor and verify that the processes used to manage and create the deliverables are followed and are effective. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 5.5. Thank you.